Okay, in this video I'll introduce you to the trading fees on the OK exchange and how to get a 20% refund on those fees. The standard trading fee on OKX is 0.08% for spot and futures. Futures fees are 0.02% for maker and 0.05% for taker. If you trade $1 million as a maker, you'll pay $200 in fees. For taker trades, $1 million volume would cost $500 in fees. If you sign up using my link or referral code 50refund, you'll get a 20% rebate on your trading fees. This rebate is applied instantly. As soon as you open and close a trade, you'll get the refund. For example, if you pay $100 in fees, you'll get $20 back right away. After registering with my link, spot fees drop to 0.064% and futures fees become 0.016% for maker and 0.04% for taker. So if you trade $1 million as a maker, you'll pay $160 in fees, saving you $40 compared to the standard rate. This will be fully refunded to you if you lose 1 million in trading volume. You'll get $1,100 back. Tucker's fee is only 0.04% on OK Exchange. That's the transaction fee. If you're interested in other exchanges like Binance, Huobi, OKX, Mexi, Coinbase, Bybit, Gate.io, BitGet, KuCoin, XT, and Bitmart, click the link in the description to read more. For example, Binance offers 40% fee rebates. You can compare which has the lowest fees or which interface you prefer. Use whichever is easiest for you. I personally find this platform easy to use. Huobi offers 35%, Binance 20%. There are images to prove it all. You can click the link to see how much you'll save. With Binance, after registration, it'll show you get 20% off fees right away. Okay, there you go. It'll always show a 20% fee. MSC is also 20%. This bit is SAN, refunded monthly. Just play and each month it'll refund. This coin will be refunded daily. Only B is refunded monthly for this coin. Check the image. The site doesn't show on the sign up page how much is refunded, so I'll screenshot the partners section to show you the refund amount. Asian West gets 20% here. You can see the settings. BitGet doesn't show at sign up how much is refunded, so I'll screenshot the settings in my partner section for you. Bitgate, Depcoin, XT, and Bitmax are 30%. If exchanges you want aren't listed above, message me. I'll send you a link to sign up and get a refund.